Hey friends, welcome to English with Nate. In this video, we're going to talk about two important questions. We're going to answer, what does billowing mean? And we're going to answer, how do you pronounce the word billowing? Let's jump right in. The word billowing is an adjective and it can mean swelling, fluttering, or waving. Let me repeat that one more time. Billowing is an adjective and it can mean swelling, fluttering, or waving. Hey, let's not just say the definition, let's check out the meaning of the word in some example sentences. Example number 1. The billowing smoke from the burning house could be seen from miles away. The billowing smoke from the burning house could be seen from miles away. So the smoke started to go up in the air, and it was easy to see the smoke from miles away. Example number 2. The billowing flag brought pride and honor to members of the military. The billowing flag brought pride and honor to members of the military. In our first example, the smoke was moving up, but in this case, the flag is moving like this. It is billowing in the wind, fluttering. Hey, at the bottom of the screen, check out how many syllables the word billowing is. But let's not just look at the word, let's practice it together. I'll repeat the word 3 times. You listen and then repeat after me. Billowing. 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 If you need to keep practicing pronouncing the word, repeat this section as many times as you need. Friend, did you like the video? Hey, click the like button. It'll help me out a lot. And check out these recommended videos so we can keep practicing English together. I am so glad you came, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a great day.